작은 마을에서 목회를 하고 있는 한 목사가 있습니다. 그런데 그 시각 차 한 대가 모텔에 들어섭니다. 포상금이 걸린 범죄자가 모텔에 있다는 정보를 입수하고 그를 체포하기 위해 달려온 허브. 하지만 나올 기미가 보이지 않자 허브는 환기구를 열어 말벌집을 밀어넣는데
I warned you, Jeff. Asshole ain't Jeff Tucker. What the fuck are you doing here? Where's Jeff?
He ain't here, is he?
I got a tip he was.
I know.
Wait! Just wait!
잽 터커가 가차없이 허브의 목을 그어버리고 한참의 시간이 흐릅니다. 손목에 알 수 없는 문양이 새겨지더니 가까스로 벽장을 뚫고 나온 허브. 반쯤 잘린 목의 상처를 살피기 시작하던 그때 문 너머로 인기척이 들려옵니다.
Stop! You the one that cut me?
Yeah, they hired me to burn the place down for the insurance.
But you work for the Earl brothers, right?
You were dead, bro.
Get up! Get on your feet!
허브는 공범으로 보이는 남자를 트렁크에 태우고 이혼 후 노모 키티와 둘이 일하고 있는 허브는 곧장 화장실로 향했고 상처를 살펴보는데
Mama, I need your help. I need to find the Earl brothers right away. I thought Billy Earl was still in jail.
Posted last Monday.
Yeah, but his brothers don't have that kind of money. Who bailed them out?
Lucky Callahan.
Lucky Callahan.
그는 여러 전과를 가진 남자로 허브의 전처와 교제 중이었죠. 게다가 어젯밤 자신을 죽이려던 얼 형제에 보석금을 내줬다는 건
So the Earls are just hired hands. He was lucky.
사무실에서 럭키에 대해 알아보던 중 전화가 걸려옵니다.
Congratulations on joining the Pot of Gold corporate family to schedule your orientation with the regional manager.
전화선을 뽑아버리자 이번에는 그의 휴대폰들이 일제히 울리기 시작했고 발신자는 모두 황금단지였죠. 대수롭지 않게 생각한 허브는 곧장 럭키가 운영 중인 술집으로 달려갑니다.
Now welcome to the stage, the pride of Landry and the country queen of North Georgia, Miss Marianne Dice.
그리고 그곳엔 실종된 클럽 가수 셰릴 대진의 전처 메리앤이 일하고 있었습니다. 얼마 뒤 럭키가 모습을 드러내고 허브가 곧장 그를 따라 나섭니다.
Hey, long time no see, huh?
Hey, shitbird. Surprised to see me? You thought I was dead. Why don't we step outside?
Dad, you hear Mom's new backup band?
Hey, look. There she is. What a number.
허브는 아들 케이드와 메리앤 앞에서 럭키를 체포할 수 없었고 메리앤은 허브에게 할 말이 있다고 하는데
I need you to sign this for me so I can take Kate out of state.
For what?
To be my stagehand. I've got an audition in Nashville.
Well...
Dad, someone from a gold pot called for you. They said it was urgent.
Just sign the form, hub.
I'll think about it.
럭키의 차가 사라진 걸 확인한 허브. 럭키와 얼 형제가 만날 거라 생각한 허브는 얼 형제의 집으로 향합니다. 엄마 키티가 다니는 교회 앞을 지나던 허브의 눈에 무언가 들어오는데 인간이 아닌 듯한 남자의 모습에 놀란 허브는 속도를 높였고 얼마 뒤 얼 형제의 집에 도착합니다.
So Lucky hired the Earls, and the Earls hired you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Be cool, Tatum. Hey, Princess. Lucky's not inside, is he? But you drove his car here as bait, and your brothers are inside waiting to kill me.
You're supposed to be dead.
Nah, my mama raised me tougher than that.
남자를 끌고 건물 안으로 들어간 허브. 그를 문 앞에 세우더니
You were dead. Shut up! Hands up!
You won't
And we can talk about you walking out alive once Lucky gets here.
Lucky ain't coming.
Oh, yeah, he is. Once you text him, you're letting him go free unless he pays you cash. Double.
문자를 받은 럭키는 허브의 예상대로 고민에 빠졌고 얼마 뒤 허브가 있는 곳에 인기척이 들려오는데
Someone's coming. Well, it ain't Lucky. It's a pastor.
From a church?
Get rid of him and do it quick.
Get up, get up.
Help you with something, pastor?
왜인지 쎄한 분위기. 전기도 상태가 이상한데
If this is a bottom, well, okay. Guess I've arrived. This must be the bottom. Eddie roll. Well, I smoke old butt.
흡사 악마와 같은 목사의 모습, 지금껏 본 적 없는 흉측한 모습과 믿을 수 없는 능력에 허브는 뒤도 돌아보지 않고 집까지 도망쳐 옵니다.
Have a seat.
리지라는 여자는 이곳에 오리엔테이션을 위해 왔다고 하는데
She knows things, Hub, about how you...
Died and went to hell. Well, you're only standing here now because we brought you back. At least temporarily. Think of this like a work release, and I'm your parole officer.
And blasphemous.
Do you think it's silly, Mr. Halloran?
Not the church-going type.
But your friend tonight was, though. Look what good that did him. Anyway, we don't exactly discriminate. The last gal doing your job wasn't even Christian.
What job, lady?
Oh, you're still a bounty hunter, Mr. Halloran. But now you hunt demons. For the devil.
허브는 미지의 말을 도무지 믿을 수 없었고 그녀의 제안을 거절하겠다고 하는데
So are you officially refusing the position?
BS, Mom.
거절이라는 말에 다시 지옥으로 돌려보내고 다른 사람을 찾아보겠다는 미지. 자신이 죽었다 살아난 걸 아는 허브는 결국 제안을 수락하게 되는데
I just don't understand why my boy would get sent to hell.
That part you'd have to ask your son about. I just know it's on the intake form. What I can tell you is we haven't had a jailbreak in the southeast region since...
A jailbreak.
리지는 지옥이 곧 교도소이며 얼마 전 탈옥한 재소자 지옥의 악령이 이곳으로 왔다고 하는데
In Landry?
Warden wants him found and sent back.
Find him how?
그녀는 낡은 매뉴얼을 꺼내 허브에게 건넵니다.
Since you came back from hell, you'll be able to see demons and they'll know you're a threat. Watch yourself. I'm guessing you may have already had an encounter. So, you get the gist. Demons can possess people and pass as human in our world.
What do you mean, send him back?
Kill them.
How long do I have?
That depends how many demons get loose, but I plan to be busy because if you fail to process any demons assigned to you, you will be terminated. Immediately.
해고는 곧 다시 지옥에 가는 것. 오리엔테이션을 마친 미지는 매뉴얼을 건네고 떠납니다.
How do we get in touch with you?
You don't.
What a crock.
다시 죽는다는 말에 수락을 했지만 믿기지 않는 허브. 그 시각 허브의 가짜 문자를 받은 럭키가 돈을 구해 얼 형제의 집에 도착합니다. 총을 챙겨 집 안으로 들어가는 럭키. 그런데 형체를 알아보기 힘든 시체를 본 럭키는 황급히 건물을 벗어나려 했고 허브의 것으로 보이는 차를 발견하게 되죠. 럭키가 이 모든 일의 배우가 허브라고 오해하던 그 시각 사무실에는 한 장의 팩스가 도착하는데
Valacore.
Type of demon. Plus a location, longitude, latitude. I'm guessing that's where it made its jailbreak.
키티는 곧장 위치를 확인해보고
Oh no, that's my church.
당장 악령이 있는 곳으로 달려가는 허브를 막아서는 키티. 무작정 허브를 따라가겠다는 말에 조건을 내겁니다.
If you're coming, you have to wait in the car.
I promise.
Wait in the car.
교회를 살펴보던 키티의 눈에 무언가 들어옵니다.
Oh Lord, what is that smell? Is that his face?
It ain't pizza.
You know this means that it's all true.
Starting to look that way. What I do know is if I'm gonna go hunt down a demon pastor that kicked my mom out of church, I want Mary Ann and Cade out of here. Hey, can I talk to you for a minute?
But I'm kind of busy. Been short-staffed around here since Cheryl went missing.
허브는 메리앤과 케이드를 안전한 곳으로 보내기 위해 오디션에 참여하라며 여행 동의서에 서명을 해주는데요.
You know what that pool table you paid by...
Hub signed the form. We're good for Nashville.
And I'll catch you later.
집으로 돌아온 허브는 지옥에 돌아가지 않기 위해 악령에 대해 연구했고, 며칠 전 얼 형제의 집에서 악령이 나타나기 전 과전류 현상이 있었던 걸 기억해내고 키티에게 이야기해주지만 그녀의 관심은 다른 곳에 있었죠.
Why did you get sent to hell?
Absolutely no idea. It was a mistake, Mom, but I think there may be a way to fix it.
하지만 엄마는 허브가 지옥에 간 게 자식을 바르게 키우지 못한 본인의 잘못 같았는데,
Berta says they've been getting calls about power surges up at the Jessup Pines Recycling Center. Maybe wherever this thing goes, it spikes the power.
And when I hear that you can hold my body down, can hold my body down.
Hey, why don't you sit this one out? This is dangerous. No. And now he's possessed by a demon.
I will not fail him like I failed you. And I get to help save your immortal soul.
Father, meet me down the river road.
과전류 현상이 있는 곳에 도착한 허브. 악령을 찾아 나서던 그는 충격적인 광경을 목격하게 되는데,
No, whoa, whoa, whoa! No, 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 no!
마취총으로는 꼼짝하지 않는 악령. 게다가 차 밖으로 나온 엄마에게 시선이 향합니다.
You okay? No denying it now. So you gonna take the job with Mary Kay?
Feels like I just did.
허브가 첫 악령을 물리친 다음 날,
Dean, you better not be in my shower, you loser.
하지만 샤워 부스에는 아무도 없었는데,
I thought y'all left already.
What I don't get is the other guy. I mean, Pastor Ron, sure. But what do you make of his victim? The guy hanging from the ceiling that he crucified?
I don't know, Mom. Maybe Ron did that because he was a demon.
키티와 달리 재물보다는 악령을 잡는 데에만 집중하는 허브. 그는 사무실을 키티에게 부탁하고 케이드에게 향합니다.
You're driving.
허브가 케이드를 찾아온 이유는 바로 럭키 때문이었습니다.
Lucky is not who you think he is. He was in the mob. He's taking your mom for a ride.
I know about all that.
케이드는 모든 사실을 알고 있었지만 집까지 사주며 문제없이 교제 중인 럭키를 밀어내지 않았고, 그때 키티의 전화가 걸려옵니다.
It's called a morphose. Samples throughout Nordic seafaring cultures and aquatic entities of overwhelming power to keep it away from water.
I'm here. I gotta go.
Should I call Lucky to pick me up?
No. I need you. Whatever. You're my lookout. You remember the drill, right?
Hey, 2 short, 1 long, right?
Anybody home?
집에 물이 흥건한 상황. 허브는 압도적인 힘을 가진 수상 악령이라는 걸 직감하고 집으로 들어가는데, 집안을 살펴보던 허브는 여학생에게 악령이 씌인 걸 알게 됩니다.
A 16-year-old girl? Water demons seek water, but we've got hundreds of ponds and streams around here.
허브는 일단 가까운 연못이나 개울가를 찾아보기로 합니다. 허브는 지나온 길에 이상하게 물이 많이 흐르고 있다는 것을 느끼고는
Stop the truck. Hand me that map from under my seat. Come on.
악령이 있었던 집의 위치와 현재 위치를 확인한 허브는 악령이 어디로 향하는지 추측할 수 있었죠.
We're going to the county pool. Pull us around back.
허브가 수영장 건물 내부로 들어섰을 때 이미 수영장은 물바다가 된 후였고,
Bail enforcement. Anybody here?
The fuck?
웬만한 공격에는 꿈쩍도 않는 악령. 허브의 의식이 점점 희미해져 가던 그때 이때 그의 머리를 스치는 무언가. 악령의 뇌를 공격해 처리했던 때를 생각해낸 허브. 허브가 두 번째 악령을 퇴치하고 밖으로 나서던 그때 보안관 루비가 현장에 도착합니다. 그때 케이드에게 전화가 걸려옵니다.
Sheriff Ruby's here. What do you want to do?
You drive to Graham's. Ruby sees you here. Family court's gonna have my ass.
케이드의 차가 수영장을 빠져나가는 걸 확인한 허브는 응급구조대에 고속도로에 음주운전 차량이 있다고 신고를 했고 얼마 뒤 무전을 받은 루비가 현장을 떠납니다. 그 시각 럭키의 수아는 허브가 악령을 죽이던 걸 촬영해 럭키에게 전달합니다. 허브가 악령 사냥꾼이 된 걸 모르는 럭키는 허브를 살인자로 오해하고 사진을 들고 허브의 집으로 향하는데
I'm just trying to protect my family. But your son is bad for both of them, and you know it.
I know you killed my boy.
Seems like he's walking around finding me.
You're gonna burn in hell forever.
How's that? Stay away from my family, both of you, or you'll force my hand.
Well, shit.
그날 밤 집으로 돌아온 허브는 안으로 들어가지 못하고 숲속을 응시하며 생각에 잠깁니다. 허브는 한 달 전 숲속에 누군가를 안매장했고 그 여자는 바로 한 달 전 실종된 가수 셰릴 도슨이었는데
You got some serious flavor going on here. Anything else? That's my usual. Well, come on, man. It's been a slow day. I got kids.
상인들의 약점을 빌미로 돈을 빼앗는 비리 경찰이 순찰차로 돌아옵니다. 그런데 그렇게 또 하나의 악령이 깨어나고 마는데
Mom, we got another one. Air dose.
곧장 악령에 대해 조사를 시작하는 허브.
Fuck is an earth demon? This one's downtown. Who's cruiser?
Deputy Briggs.
You around?
Walked off about an hour ago. You ordering?
Not today.
Promise I won't spit in it.
Now. Don't give away the secret recipe.
허브가 악령의 뒤를 쫓던 그 시각 허브의 뒷조사를 하던 럭키는 이 사실을 메리앤에게 이야기하려 합니다.
But that's something you need to see.
You might want to sit down.
Lucky, your car's on fire. Someone grab the fire extinguisher.
럭키의 차에 연기를 피운 건 바로 키티였고 그가 자리를 비운 사이 사무실에 잠입하는데
Well, look who's calling his mama finally. Did the devil fax you another demon to kill?
Yep. Where are you at?
사무실을 빠져나오던 키티의 앞을 가로막는 누군가.
So was it you or was it Hub?
Sweetie, I don't know what you're talking about.
The old smoke up the car to get him outside move. What are you doing? Spill it.
그녀는 허브의 꿍꿍이가 무엇인지 묻지만 대답해주지 않자 허브를 직접 찾아가기로 합니다. 철물점에 들어선 메리앤이 허브를 발견하는데 메리앤은 키티가 럭키의 가게에 찾아온 이유를 따져 물으며 아빠가 필요한 케이드에게 제대로 된 아빠 역할을 하라고 언성을 높이기 시작하죠. 메리앤이 건물 밖으로 나가려던 바로 그때 메리앤을 위험에 빠뜨릴 수 없었던 허브는 그녀를 데리고 일단 이곳을 벗어나려 합니다. 하지만 이 남자는 악령을 처리하고 무사히 집으로 돌아온 허브. 하지만 세 번째 악령까지 처리한 그의 머리에 무언가 이상한 점이 포착됩니다. 악령들이 사람을 제물로 삼고 있는 것 같았죠.
Hello?
Don't hang up.
You're not supposed to contact me.
You said that my job was to hunt demons and send them back, but did you ever ask why they're coming?
Why does any inmate bust out? To be free.
So what's with the sacrifices?
In order to walk the earth, they need
Yeah,
to...
possess a human. I got it. But I'm not talking about the people that they're possessing. I'm talking about the people that they are sacrificing. In weird ways, too.
It's not a thing. They don't do that.
They've done it 3 times.
Don't call here again.
악령을 봐버린 메리앤에게 허브는 그간 있었던 일들을 솔직하게 털어놓습니다.
And you're stuck in this so-called job for how long?
Till hell runs out of demons, seems like, or
one of them kills you. Again.
이야기를 나누던 메리앤은 허브가 정말 죽었다 살아난 걸 알게 됐고 그가 했던 말이 떠오르는데
So when you said Lucky tried to kill you, he actually did.
paid the Earls to do it. But yeah, he killed me.
케이드와 진을 집까지 사주고 럭키가 성실한 남편이 될 거라고 믿었던 메리앤은 좌절하고 마는데요.
I think you and Kate should get out of here. Go to Nashville like you were planning.
But just pick up and run away when you're facing all this.
Protecting Cade, that is helping me. And it's only until I can figure a way out of this. Maybe you can give me a chance to fix what I messed up.
메리앤과 재결합을 원하는 허브. 하지만 일단 두 사람을 악령들로부터 안전하게 보호하는 게 먼저였고 키티에게 전화가 걸려오는데
Why's your mama calling me?
키티가 호출한 곳은 바로 럭키의 술집이었고 두 사람이 그곳에 도착했을 때 럭키는 보안관들에게 연행되고 있었죠.
Nobody will believe Lucky's dealing crystal.
They don't need to. Just probable cause to search his office and find the shotgun.
Is that the gun you used on Pastor Ron?
Lucky tries to take us down with those photos. We'll say he was with us and we'll all go to prison together.
Well, blackmail only works if Lucky knows. You won't be the one to tell him.
Hub set me up.
Did you hire the Earls to kill him?
Oh, Lord.
Yes or no?
No, of course not. Hub is not the man you think he is. He's a murderer.
No, Luck, he's not the man you think he is. Why do you think that Hub didn't die after you had him killed? Or did you not even wonder about that? But I'd stop fucking with Hub if I were you. And Kitty wants you to know that if you ever try and use those photos, she'll tip off the cops to run that shotgun they just found in your office.
Babe, you and Kate are the only things.
Bye, Luck.
럭키에게 경고한 메리앤은 케이드를 호출합니다.
You and your mom are going to Nashville.
What? You'd be golden.
You think?
I know.
허브는 사실을 숨긴 채 오디션을 핑계로 케이드를 떠나보내는데 성공하죠.
So you'll let us know when it's safe to come back.
가게를 나서던 허브, 루비는 키티와 함께 허브를 기다리고 있었는데
Sheriff?
Hello? Ruby was saying they lost a deputy today. Just awful.
Sorry to hear.
부보안관이 죽기 전 허브가 그를 찾아다녔다는 증언을 들었다는 루비.
I found his patrol car ditched.
어딘가 수상했지만 물증이 없는 루비가 돌아섭니다.
You said that hardware store was an inferno?
Any security video got destroyed.
You best pray it was. Can't hunt no demons locked up in jail.
며칠 뒤 결혼을 앞둔 커플이 한적한 호수에 차를 세웁니다. 그런데 얼마 뒤
That's a choice.
분위기를 망치고 싶지 않았던 남자는 자리를 양보해달라 부탁하려 하는데
I'm chilling here with my girl and I just proposed, you know what I mean? Look, you think you could give us the lake for just like an hour?
What is that?
Baby, baby, baby.
또 다른 악령이 깨어나던 그 시각 허브는 자신을 위해 악령학을 공부하다 잠이 든 키티를 발견합니다. 책을 살펴보던 허브의 눈에 특이한 문양이 들어오는데 악령들이 남긴 문양과 오망성의 문양을 분석하는 허브. 심상치 않은 일이 벌어지고 있음을 직감한 허브는 미지를 찾아가는데
Get off my porch!
Whoa, whoa, easy, easy now.
I tell you not to call me, so you show up at my home?
I'm just admiring your Benji, isn't it? Looks like he's growing up fast.
What do you expect? It's hell.
I saw your old crowdfund site and the articles about your son's miracle. That's how they got you, right? First I thought that you'd come back from the dead too, but now I'm thinking you did something to save Benji.
허브의 예상은 빗나가지 않았죠. 미지의 이야기는 9년 전 꽤나 잘 나가던 파티시에였을 때 시작됩니다. 행복할 것만 같던 그녀의 인생에 어둠이 들이우는데
Benji, stop breathing! he choking? I don't know.
미지는 암 진단을 받은 아들의 치료비를 위해 보험회사에 연락을 하는데요.
It's in his lungs and we need treatment now.
Under our platinum coverage, yes, but you have our bronze plan.
보험사는 보험 등급이 낮다는 이유로 보험금 지급이 어렵다고 하는데
Please help us.
Have you tried speaking with your bank?
미지는 치료비를 마련하기 위해 했었지만 마련할 방법이 없었고 급기야 검색을 이어가던 그때 황금단지 광고를 본 미지는 홀린 듯이 영혼매매 신청서를 작성하기 시작합니다.
It's Kazatsu, Ali Khan, pot of gold.
How did you people know my son was sick?
Totally gonna hook you up with all the answers, but first, your phone line works, right?
Your corporate health plan will cover my baby starting immediately?
Yes, it will. Are your terms of sales listed correctly? Boss man's a stickler for the rules. He'll hold you to it.
Yep. That's what it says.
Groovy, then we'll get this done and fax it in. And friendly tip, when Benji suddenly gets better and people start asking how, don't mention pot of gold or your new job, unless you like a bit of trouble.
그날 이후 미지는 황금단지와 계약하고 악마와 싸울 사람을 모집하는 일을 하게 됐던 것이었죠.
Pot of Gold is a pyramid scheme.
The key to closing any deal is to understand your recruit's motives. But the best motive is love.
Love.
Fastest path to hell. Selling your soul to help someone you love.
서명하지 않으면 아들이 곧 죽는다는 말에 미지는 계약서에 서명을 하고 마는데
Thumbprint in the box.
Jesus.
계약서에 지장을 찍은 바로 그때
What is happening?
Oh yeah, reflections are going to be trippy now you can see beyond the veil. But you'll get used to it.
Well, you don't hunt demons, I'm guessing. Otherwise, they wouldn't need me.
모든 걸 예상하고 있는 허브에게 사실대로 털어놓는 미지.
I collect signatures, just like someone collected mine.
No shit.
I tried leaving once. Benji's cancer came back.
That's why I'm here. Remember those sacrifices that I told you about? There's a pattern. I think I found something that can help us.
We are not the same. I saw your intake form. No, you were condemned to hell for what you did, but I chose it.
But we're both headed to the same place, right? And you can hide behind their corporate signatures and quotas all you want, but those are people that you are delivering to the devil.
At least I didn't rope my mother into it. I did what I did to protect my son. Get the fuck off my property before I count to 3 or I will send you back to hell myself.
She should want to help me. A lot of gold is threatening her boy.
Well, I wouldn't know a thing about how that feels. Now hurry up and get back to Landry. This next demon broke through at Lake Revere hours ago. This one gives me the willies.
Am I right that it's either fire or air?
Air. It's called a sliferous. Gives its victims the kiss of death. Ooh.
미지에게 자료를 건넨 허브는 곧장 공기의 악령이 나왔다는 호숫가로 향합니다. 허브가 도착했을 땐 악령들은 자리를 뜬 후였고 악령 서적에 나온 대로 악령들이 부활하는 걸 확인한 허브는 키티에게 연락합니다.
Came through here, all right. Must be headed east.
Why east?
Because air is on the right side of the pentagram. So I'm gonna leapfrog ahead. See if I can't make it come to me.
It's gonna have to cross the Henderson Bridge.
허브를 기습한 건 다름 아닌 럭키였는데 다음날 허브가 정신을 차렸을 땐 이미 결박된 후였죠.
Hose for a shower?
The fuck? Let me go!
You know, I was trying to figure out how you got an angel like Marianne to set foot in this shithole.
Demons. Actual demons from hell. Wait.
Demons? Yeah, I'm looking at one.
You think busting my fingers is gonna win her back? She's in Nashville with Kate. They're safe.
그리곤 갑자기 휴대폰으로 녹화를 하기 시작하는데요.
So this isn't me trying to win you back. I know we're done. I can't just walk away without you knowing the truth. Yeah, I tried to kill Hub, but he tried to kill me first.
You're so full of shit.
I know what you did that night. So why don't you tell her what happened to Cheryl?
허브는 메리앤이 범죄 전과가 있는 럭키와 생각보다 오래 교제하는 모습에 럭키의 술집에 찾아왔습니다.
Come on now, Cheryl. Show me that you love me.
Hey, Hub. Really appreciate you coming down.
허브를 반가워하는 럭키와 달리 바로 본론을 꺼냅니다.
You really love them. You get in that shiny Cadillac of yours and just drive the hell out of their lives.
I know you showed her my rap sheet, but I'm out of that life now. I left my crew on good terms. I'm square with the law.
Em and I are just in a rough, and eventually she's gonna see that you are still the same piece of shit that you always.
허브의 선 넘는 말에도 메리앤과 케이드를 위해 참는 럭키.
So you back the fuck off, or I swear to God,
I will kill you.
죽이겠다는 협박에 더 이상 참지 못하는데.
You don't got the balls.
Wouldn't be me, be your crew. The one where I plant evidence that you are a rat.
Don't you fucking dare! Get up! There's a line where I can't turn the other cheek, and you just crossed it.
메리앤에서 시작된 두 사람의 감정 싸움은 극으로 치닫게 되죠.
Lucky's gonna kill you. You should run.
럭키를 잘 알고 있는 허브는 자신이 먼저 럭키를 처리하기로 마음먹고 그가 혼자 남을 때까지 가게 앞에서 기다립니다. 술 기운에 이성을 잃은 허브가 총을 들고 술집에 들어섰을 때 술집을 나서는 누군가를 발견하고 허브가 쏜 건 럭키의 모자를 쓰고 있던 셰릴이었죠. 구급차를 부를 틈도 없이 셰릴이 숨을 거두고 맙니다. 그제서야 차를 타고 떠나는 허브를 발견하는 럭키. 뭔가 이상함을 느낀 럭키가 아래층으로 내려가 보는데요.
What happened at the club that night?
한편 허브를 떠난 메리앤과 케이드는 오디션을 위해 녹음을 하고 있었죠.
That was fun.
때마침 메리앤에게 전화가 걸려옵니다.
Go grab a Coke. It'll help.
Did you happen to go shopping down at Stewart Hardware yesterday?
Yeah. I ran by to get a new fuse.
Was Hub with you?
No, I don't recall seeing him there.
She's in on it. Tell the DA we need another wiretap.
Go ahead and kill me. You already did it once.
그때 누군가 문을 열고 들어오는 소리가 들리는데
Mama's back. Kitty, is that you? Hey, we're closed. Come back tomorrow. What the hell are you doing?
바람의 악령이 허브의 집까지 찾아온 것이었죠.
Jesus, Lord, please help me.
Father, heaven, hallowed be thy name.
Oh, shit.
Look, he won't let me take you to the hospital.
Well, I think I might know why I went to hell.
No.
늦은 시간 허브를 찾아온 건 바로 메리앤과 케이드였습니다.
We need to talk to you.
Not a great time here.
Mom pulled me out of our recording session to tell me about demons.
No such thing.
Sheriff Ruby called, and I think she knows something.
I thought we had a deal here, Em.
So just cut the bullshit and tell me the truth.
Fine. You're asking for it.
더 이상 숨길 수 없다고 판단한 허브는 케이드에게도 선택할 수 있는 기회를 주기로 합니다.
But you won't believe it unless I show you. Come on.
허브는 두 사람을 데리고 조금 전 처리한 바람의 악령이 있는 곳으로 향합니다.
So the pool. We were tracking a demon?
Until it's safe around here again, I want you gone.
We could use the help.
케이드는 아빠 곁에서 악령과 함께 싸우겠다고 하는데
It's your funeral.
You try and tell me something last night about why you
Oh no, now ain't the time.
I don't want to know, Hub.
Why?
We have our family back together.
그렇게 케이드는 악령들을 화장하러 갔고 메리앤이 허브와 함께 집안을 정리하던 그때 럭키의 전화가 울립니다.
That's Lucky's phone.
Yeah, he must have dropped it when the demons came.
Well, bad news for him. I know his password.
럭키의 휴대폰에는 자신이 셰리를 죽인 걸 자백한 영상이 찍혀 있었고 이 분위기를 깨고 싶지 않았던 허브가 일단 둘러대는데요.
A video.
Yeah, me screaming in pain. Show you how much he loved you.
Jesus. That's just sick.
At least now you see I was right about him.
And how long are you gonna milk that?
At least until my fingers heal.
Thank God.
I'll be right there.
Mommy's on a work call right now. No more playing until you finish your veggies.
But I finished them, Mommy.
Okay, but just 10 more minutes.
엄마에게 사소한 거짓말을 한 아이에게 검은 그림자가 들이우기 시작합니다.
Up jumped the devil.
Pyralis demons are said to dwell within blazing volcanoes and fiery abysses.
Pyralis can summon and manipulate fire.
So we need to take it out before it completes its final sacrifice, which should be right here.
So if we do this, stop this Pyralis thing, you complete your assignment, what happens to you? You go free or?
Or do you have to go back?
허브가 두고 간 자료를 살펴보고 사태의 심각성을 깨달은 미지가 허브를 찾아왔습니다.
If the Pyralis demon completes the pentagram with the final human sacrifice, it will unchain one of the Shackle Seven.
So this whole deal is about some angel trying to bust out of hell?
Former angel.
허브 일행은 곧바로 악령을 찾아 나섭니다.
So how am I supposed to know if you see a demon in some old lady's face?
미지는 악마와의 계약을 통해 얻은 능력으로 악령을 찾고 있었죠.
What is it?
그렇게 한 사람씩 악령을 확인하며 다음 집으로 향하는 미지.
Is anyone home? You scared me. No, 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 no.
불의 악령이 미지를 삼켜버리고 맙니다.
We failed.
I don't know all the rules exactly, but I'm guessing she counts in the whole pentagram of it all. And she did die at the hands of the fire demon.
미래를 모르는 불안한 상황 속에서도 허브와 메리앤의 사랑은 다시 피어오르고
Promise me you won't touch Marianne. Oh, you guys got this all wrong. She's a victim here. Hub's got her under some kind of demonic spell.
이 사실을 믿을 리 없는 루비. 럭키는 그녀에게 그간 모아둔 사진을 건넵니다.
A colleague of mine took those. It's why Kitty broke into my office, planted that shotgun.
We got him. Call the DA.
미지가 제물로 죽고 얼마 뒤 결국 릴리스가 깨어나고 마는데요. 먼저 릴리스에 대해 검색을 하는 허브, 그리곤 릴리스가 깨어난 위치를 확인하는데 허브의 집에서 릴리스가 깨어났다는 걸 확인한 그가 곧장 달려간 곳은 셰리를 안매장한 곳이었고
Over here. I swear on everything that I was just trying to protect you and Kate.
What's that?
It was a grave.
Whose?
It was a mistake, Em. I was drunk and she was wearing Lucky's hat. Cheryl, I'm sorry.
My dad is not a murderer.
No denying that I pulled the trigger.
Cheryl's family is still out there searching for her.
All right, look. We failed yesterday, and now that demon is loose. I need us all to keep our eye on the ball here, as a family.
가족을 들먹이며 다시 뭉쳐야 한다는 허브의 말에도 가족들의 태도는 싸늘하기만 했고 살인까지 감싸기 힘들었던 가족들은 허브를 떠나버리고 맙니다.
All right, come and get me.
바로 그때 허브의 집으로 차 한 대가 들어섭니다.
Make it count for your lad's sake. We're counting on you. Don't fuck it up.
죽은 줄 알았던 미지가 살아 돌아온 것인데
How?
But the devil isn't done with us yet.
Well, I'm done with him. You can go ahead and
process my return.
You don't get to pick. I was blown up in a house and I'm still here. He wants us to finish the job. That's all there is to it.
Then after that?
Her name is Lilith, and she's the last job for both of us. When it's over,
Same raw deal.
I'm doing this for Benji.
자신을 위해서가 아닌 남겨질 자식을 위해 일한다는 미지의 말에 케이드가 생각난 허브.
You ever hear the expression voice of an angel?
Lilith was an angel.
With the most banging pipes of them all. Her voice is what made her God's favorite. And jealous little bitches out of all the other angels. That's why they tricked her into joining Satan's rebellion, so that God would cast her down to a place with no music for all of eternity.
두 사람의 예상대로 깨어난 릴리스는 곧장 음악이 있는 식당으로 향했죠.
It's Cheryl.
How'd they finally get her?
Music to Lilith is like blood to a shark. And she has this mind control thing.
오래전 한 수도원에서 릴리스를 잡는 데 성공한 적이 있다며 미지가 자료를 꺼내놓습니다.
Hon, the ambulance is on its way. Why don't we go sit down?
마인드 컨트롤에도 능한 릴리스가 사람들을 지옥으로 보내던 그 시각 허브의 집에 보안관들이 도착합니다.
All clear. Halloran's not here.
This is where Hub summoned the demons?
I swear to God.
루비는 이 허무맹랑한 소리를 믿기 어려웠죠.
Okay, assholes. If I'm lying, what do you call that?
럭키와 루비 일행이 악령에 대해 조사한 자료들을 발견하던 그 시각 허브는 인적이 드문 숲으로 향합니다.
So now will you tell me what we're doing out here?
You said that Lilith was drawn to music.
No offense, but how's she supposed to hear that from here?
Oh, I'm gonna crank this baby down to 50 kilohertz. We won't hear it, but it's gonna send out a signal at least 30 miles.
What are we gonna do if she actually shows up?
You still got that painting you showed me? Look at those rooms in the corners there. If that's a demon trap, maybe they were onto something.
You think it's a pentagram?
What if the way that Lilith got here is the same way to send her back?
그 시각 메리앤과 키티는 공범 혐의로 보안관서에 체포된 상태였죠.
Sheriff, you've got this all wrong. Ruby, you don't know the half of what's really going on here.
No, I tried to tell.
How involved was Cade? I didn't arrest him yet, but I could.
케이드를 볼모로 허브의 위치를 알아내려는 루비.
We got multiple victims down at Bubba's Diner. Witnesses are saying that it was Cheryl Dawson.
Cheryl Dawson?
Saying that she's possessed.
You see?
Rooms made of twigs for a pentagram made of coffee cans.
Have you got a better idea?
So what's next?
Just the whole mind control bit that I haven't worked out yet.
That won't work on us.
Really?
Since we've both been to hell, same reason, we could both see demons.
Don't spring the trap until she's inside it.
오망성 모양의 덫을 설치한 허브는 이제 음악을 틀어 릴리스를 유혹하려고 합니다. 미끼를 분 릴리스가 앰프 주변에 내려앉습니다.
Step inside, damn it.
허브가 릴리스를 유인해 보려 하지만
You're not Cheryl.
If you let me go, I'll let Cheryl live. You won't go to hell. You'll be free.
What the hell? She's making her sales pitch.
Oh, don't buy it. End of days, remember?
And if Cheryl's still alive, and you're not a murderer, your family will forgive you, won't they?
No, no, no. Think of everyone you love.
I am. How's this work?
Break the seal.
No.
Ladies first.
You just sold out the entire world.
I'll figure something out. There's always a loophole.
Huh?
It's okay, Cheryl.
셰릴과 거래를 마친 허브가 그녀와 함께 당당하게 술집으로 향합니다.
The cops are here for you.
It it was between you and Cade, Mary Ann had no choice.
I fixed everything. Look, it's gone.
Hub, you're under arrest.
Hub, what's happening?
Hands on the table.
You okay?
Don't touch me.
모든 게 혼란스러운 메리앤. 셰릴이 돌아왔다는 건 자신의 무대를 빼앗긴다는 의미이기도 한데
I know you hate me right now. You're not in your right mind here.
Ashes to dust, shadows and light.
허브가 연행되던 그때 좌중을 압도하는 성량으로 무대에 오르는 메리앤.
And shook my soul.
하지만 그녀는 릴리스에게 잠식된 후였고 사람들을 모두 마인드 컨트롤 해버리는데
The devil will never stop coming up. Not for me, so not for Mary Ann. Serve me if you want her to live.
악마와의 계약 첫 번째 시즌이 끝납니다. 전형적인 코미디 호러 장르로 이블 데드가 연상될 수밖에 없는 작품 악마와의 계약이었습니다. 코미디 호러 장르로서도 가족 드라마로서도 어딘가 익숙한 피상적인 전개를 보여주지만 한 편당 러닝타임이 30분 정도로 가볍게 시청할 수 있어 매우 만족스러웠습니다. 비록 이번 시즌에서는 허브를 제외하고는 기억에 남는 가족들이나 악령들의 캐릭터성이 없어 아쉬웠지만 시즌2가 나온다면 어떻게 표현될지 궁금합니다. 악령 사냥꾼 허브의 이야기 악마와의 계약은 아마존 프라임에서 시청하실 수 있습니다. 지금까지 심야극장이었습니다. 감사합니다.